For almost 50 years, Discount Appliance World has served as Geneva, New York's appliance dealerships. As a family-owned, full-service company, our staff is friendly, knowledgeable, and constantly working to build customer relationships and earn your business. At Discount Appliance World, you can find name-brand appliances like Amana, Danby, Frigidaire, GE Appliances, Haier, KitchenAid, Maytag, Speed Queen, and Whirlpool. We invite you to stop in and compare our prices, selection, and service. Please contact us for any appliance sales, appliance parts, or factory authorized service. Visit us Monday through Saturday at 509 Exchange Street in Geneva. We open at 9 a.m. Or give us a call at 315-781-0477. You can also explore our site at www.discountapplianceworld.com. As a local and family-owned business in the Finger Lakes area, we think you'll agree. Bigger does not always mean better.